Creating a newsletter in ShopWired is straightforward, but if you're looking to do it effectively, there's a little more to it than just hitting a few buttons. Stick around as we break down exactly how to create a newsletter, and I'll even share some alternatives that might suit your needs better. First, let's dive into the ShopWired platform. When you're ready to create a newsletter, start by navigating to the Email Marketing section in your dashboard. This is where you'll find the tools for your campaigns. If you haven't set up any email campaigns before, don't worry. ShopWired's interface is user-friendly, and setting up your first one is quick. Next, click on Create Campaign. You'll see a variety of templates designed for different types of emails. These templates make it easy to create a professional-looking newsletter without needing to code anything yourself. You can choose one of these templates, or if you're feeling creative, start from scratch and customize it to your liking. The third thing to keep in mind is how to import your contacts. In ShopWired, your contacts are managed within the same email marketing section. You can easily import contacts from a CSV file, or if you're using a third-party service like MailChimp, you can integrate it directly with ShopWired. The process is seamless, but it's crucial that your contact list is organized to ensure your newsletters reach the right people. Now that you have your template and contacts ready, it's time to move on to crafting the actual content. This is where you can really get creative. ShopWired allows you to add images, text, buttons, and links. But here's a catch: while it's easy to use, the design features aren't as robust as some other platforms out there. You might find some limitations if you're aiming for a super custom look or need advanced functionality, like automated email flows. Next, let's talk about testing. Once your content is ready, make sure to send yourself a test email. ShopWired gives you the option to preview how your newsletter will look on both desktop and mobile, which is essential because most readers will check their emails on their phones. Testing helps you catch any issues before sending it out to your entire list. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, hit the send button and your newsletter will be on its way. But here's the thing: while ShopWired is decent, it lacks some advanced features like detailed email performance analytics and segmentation options that other platforms offer. If you're serious about growing your email marketing, these are things to consider. Which brings us to a key point. If you're looking for a more feature-rich platform with better analytics, automation, and customization options, there are better choices out there. I'm talking about alternatives like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Both provide better reporting, automation workflows, and integrations than ShopWired. They also have free trials so you can test them out risk-free. So, if you're still looking to get the best value, we've got you covered. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and some additional benefits with the software we recommend, all tailored to help you create a newsletter with maximum impact. We also included a couple of amazing alternatives that can really help you achieve your goals more effectively. Remember, while ShopWired may work for some, there are more powerful and customizable options available. Make sure you're using the tool that's best for your needs, and through our link, you'll get some added perks that can make all the difference.